Tired of spending hours cleaning your home? Imagine if cleaning didn't feel like a chore, but a simple act of restoring balance and joy to your living space. There's a certain satisfaction that comes with a clean and organized home, a sense of lightness and calm. What if I told you that you can achieve this feeling without spending hours scrubbing and stressing? In this video, I'm excited to share 5 life-changing cleaning hacks that will make cleaning a breeze, leaving you with more time and energy to focus on the things that spark joy in your life. Vinegar, a simple pantry staple, holds a remarkable cleaning power that has been cherished for generations. Its gentle acidity effectively cuts through grime and grease, leaving surfaces sparkling clean without the use of harsh chemicals. This natural cleaning agent is not only effective but also incredibly cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Imagine tackling stubborn, hard water stains on your faucets and shower heads with ease. Simply soak a cloth in vinegar, wrap it around the affected area, and let it work its magic for about an hour. The vinegar will dissolve the mineral buildup, revealing gleaming surfaces with minimal effort. Beyond the bathroom, vinegar can also revitalize your kitchen. Grease splatters on your stovetop can be effortlessly wiped away with a vinegar-soaked cloth. For a deeper clean, create a vinegar solution by mixing equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Spritz your countertops, backsplash, and even the sink with this solution, and watch as it cuts through grease and grime, leaving a fresh, clean scent. But the wonders of vinegar don't stop there. Have you ever noticed an unpleasant odor lingering in your microwave? Simply mix half a cup of water with half a cup of vinegar in a microwave-safe bowl and heat it for a few minutes. The steam created will loosen any food particles, making cleaning a breeze, and the vinegar will neutralize any lingering odors, leaving your microwave fresh and inviting. Embracing vinegar as a cleaning agent is not just about practicality, it's about making conscious choices that benefit both our homes and the environment. By choosing natural cleaning solutions like vinegar, we reduce our exposure to harmful chemicals and contribute to a healthier planet. The microwave, a true kitchen hero, but often neglected when it comes to cleaning. But fret not, for cleaning this essential appliance can be surprisingly simple and even a bit delightful. Let me share with you a cleaning hack that will leave your microwave sparkling clean using just water and a few slices of lemon. Start by filling a microwave-safe bowl with water, about half to 3/4 full. Then slice a lemon into thin rounds and add them to the bowl of water. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the water boils and the microwave is filled with steam. As the water heats, the lemon slices release their natural citric acid, which works wonders in breaking down baked-on food splatters and grime. The steam generated from the boiling water further loosens the stubborn particles, making them easy to wipe away. Once the microwave has finished heating, let it cool for a few minutes before carefully removing the bowl of water and lemon slices. You'll notice that the steam has softened the grime, making it effortless to wipe away with a damp cloth. For any particularly stubborn stains, simply dip your cloth into the remaining lemon-infused water and gently scrub the area. The citric acid will continue to work its magic, leaving your microwave sparkling clean and infused with a refreshing citrus scent. This simple yet effective cleaning hack not only saves time and effort, but also harnesses the natural cleaning power of lemons, creating a more mindful and joyful cleaning experience. Dryer sheets, those thin, fragrant sheets we associate with laundry day, possess unexpected cleaning capabilities that extend far beyond the laundry room. These unassuming helpers can tackle various cleaning tasks with surprising effectiveness. Let's start with a common cleaning frustration: dust. Dryer sheets possess a remarkable ability to attract and trap dust particles, making them ideal for dusting surfaces like shelves, blinds, and even lampshades. Simply run a dryer sheet over these surfaces and watch as it effortlessly collects dust, leaving a clean and fresh scent behind. But the cleaning power of dryer sheets doesn't stop there. Have you ever struggled to remove stubborn pet hair from furniture or clothing? A dryer sheet can come to your rescue. Its electrostatic properties act like a magnet, attracting and lifting pet hair with ease. Simply rub a dryer sheet over the affected area and watch as the pet hair clings to the sheet, leaving your furniture and clothing hair-free. Dryer sheets can also be surprisingly effective in tackling stubborn soap scum buildup in your bathroom. Wet a dryer sheet and use it to scrub the soap scum on your shower doors, faucets, and tiles. The sheet's texture and cleaning agents work together to break down the soap scum, revealing sparkling clean surfaces. For a truly unexpected cleaning hack, try using a dryer sheet to clean your iron. Set your iron to a low setting and gently rub a dryer sheet over the sole plate. The sheet will pick up any residue or buildup, leaving your iron clean and smooth for wrinkle-free ironing. Embracing the versatility of dryer sheets in our cleaning routine allows us to simplify our cleaning process and find joy in the unexpected uses of everyday items. Baking soda, a staple in many kitchens, is renowned for its gentle yet powerful cleaning properties. This versatile ingredient can tackle tough stains, deodorize surfaces, and even polish silverware, all while being incredibly cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Imagine tackling stubborn grease stains on your oven or stovetop with ease. Simply create a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water. Apply this paste to the greasy areas and let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. Then, with a damp cloth, gently scrub the paste away, lifting the grease and grime, leaving your surfaces gleaming clean. Baking soda's gentle abrasiveness also makes it ideal for scrubbing away stubborn stains on sinks, bathtubs, and even grout. Create a paste as before, apply it to the stained areas, and let it sit for a while. Then use a scrub brush or sponge to gently work the paste into the stains, lifting away the dirt and grime. Beyond its scrubbing power, baking soda is also a natural deodorizer, effectively neutralizing unpleasant odors in your home. Sprinkle baking soda in your trash cans, on carpets before vacuuming, or even in your shoes to absorb odors and leave a fresh scent. For a touch of sparkle, baking soda can even be used to polish silverware. Create a paste with baking soda and water. Apply it to your silverware and gently rub with a soft cloth. The baking soda will remove tarnish and restore the shine to your silverware, making it gleam like new. Embracing baking soda as a cleaning agent is about simplifying our cleaning routines with natural and effective solutions that bring joy to both our homes and the environment. In our quest for a clean and organized home, we often find ourselves reaching for disposable cleaning products. But what if we could make cleaning more sustainable and reduce waste in the process? Reusable cleaning cloths and pads offer a practical and eco-friendly alternative to their disposable counterparts, allowing us to embrace a more mindful approach to cleaning. Microfiber cloths, known for their exceptional absorbency and cleaning power, are a popular choice for reusable cleaning. These cloths can effectively trap dust, dirt, and grime without the need for harsh chemicals. Simply dampen a microfiber cloth with water and use it to wipe down surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean. For tougher cleaning tasks, reusable scrubbing pads made from materials like cellulose or coconut fibers provide the necessary abrasiveness without scratching delicate surfaces. These pads can be used to scrub away stubborn stains on dishes, countertops, and even bathroom fixtures. One of the greatest advantages of reusable cleaning cloths and pads is their longevity. Unlike disposable wipes or paper towels that end up in the trash after a single use, reusable cloths and pads can be washed and reused multiple times, significantly reducing waste and our environmental impact. To care for your reusable cleaning cloths and pads, simply toss them in the washing machine with your regular laundry. Avoid using fabric softener, as it can coat the fibers and reduce their absorbency. Once washed, hang them to dry or tumble dry on low heat. By embracing reusable cleaning cloths and pads, we not only create a more sustainable cleaning routine, but also cultivate a sense of intentionality and care for our belongings and the environment. We've explored 5 cleaning hacks that will transform your cleaning routine: the power of vinegar, the microwave lemon magic, the unexpected versatility of dryer sheets, the scrubbing power of baking soda, and the eco-friendliness of reusable cleaning cloths and pads. These hacks are not just about simplifying cleaning, they're about finding joy in creating a clean and organized home. I encourage you to try these hacks and experience the difference they make in your cleaning routine. Share your experiences. Share these hacks with your friends. Let's inspire each other to find joy in creating a clean and harmonious living space. For more life-changing tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.